Damn, shorty. You looking good? What's up? Shit, my name THXX.
Boy, not interested. Not interested.
What's wrong with me?
I said I'm not interested.
Shit, I don't got money. I got.
Boy, you not it.
Hey, now just hear me out though. Are you a parking ticket? Cause you got fine written all over you.
I don't care, okay? I don't care. Now, can you please leave? Get your ugly, dusty, musty out of my face.
Ugly?
Get your undrippy eye, lame eye, unrestful eye, monkey donkey, oompa loompa looking eye, head eye, boy. With your, don't come to me doing that shit. Get your eye over there with the ugly sweater, ugly looking eye, boy. And boy, you need a haircut, boy. Cause if not, shit.
What you mean I need a haircut? I mean, that is kind of true.
Cause that hair is not it. So get out of my face. And boy,
But you a hater, man. No, I'm out.
Look at that boy.
Man, you
Nice shit, musty looking at head eye. These weirdos.
Man, what's up with these hugs, bro? You can't even like show off the riz a little bit, like. Bro, how do I get hugs?
Did someone say they need help getting some girls?
Taki the creator?
Yes, it is I. What seems to be your problem today, young man?
I just got roasted by the hugs. Like, she said I was ugly, I need a haircut, all this and that. Like, I don't know what to do. I'm broke as shit.
Getting girls, you're broke, you're ugly. I've been there. Look at me now. Every girl wants me. Famous, money, good musician. Go check out Traumacopia. You see, girls are just like a feather in the wind, waiting to be picked up by some guy. And you, my guy, you are not that guy. You are not that guy. Especially, look at your hair. You look like a Neanderthal. Literally. Like, first of all, start off with your looks. And what's damaging your looks right now is your hair, my guy. So go to the barber, get a nice haircut, and then come back and try to rizz up, okay?
Bro, I can't afford no one unknown barber. They're like 40 bucks. Nah, bro, I'm not finna spend that much, gang.
You're broke. Not surprised. Why don't you try cutting your own hair? Because you have to do something ASAP. Broke ending.
Oh, for real. I guess there's only one last option. I gotta cut my own hair.
I just love my dog. Yeah. Look at my brother told me.
All right, y'all. Right now, I'm looking chopped. I'm growing the top out though, but as you can see, the sides, it's not it, gang. And as y'all can see, I'm broke, so I gotta cut my own hair. Yeah. This is actually my first time ever doing this, but I believe in my skill. I don't know about the beard. I probably am gonna cut the beard after. I don't know. It depends how I feel, but I'm only gonna be using this mirror right here and this mirror right here, and use this. So why do you need to pay like 30 bucks for a haircut? You know, it's not worth it. Just cut it yourself, you know. But we'll see how it goes. Bro, it don't even work. Oh shit, I didn't have it on. Okay, I actually did it. It already looked nice though. Am I wrong? Oh wait, no, I gotta fix that up real quick. All right, I'm gonna lie, I feel like I did this side already. Oh wait, not really, but now it's the back, bro. And the back is crucial, it's important, but I'll trust my skills. This so far, what I did, to be honest, man, no way I'm doing this for the huzz, bro. You see what the huzz got me doing, bro? Oh, I got a big ass piece of hair. Oh, but that's the mic. So I'm gonna line it up with this right here. All right, so low key I lined it up, as you can see. Now I just gotta line up the bag, but it's pretty much already done. I just did a one all around. That's what I basically do. So why I gotta pay? Now I just got a line right here. I'm gonna do that right now. So this is the final product, y'all. It was pretty fast. It didn't even take that long, to be honest. But as you can see, nah, it's cause my hair is crazy. I gotta shower so I can like reset it. This is the final product though. As you can see, I just did a number one around. And the beard, I think I'm gonna keep the beard, bro. I'm gonna keep it for now. This is the final product, bro. Am I gonna get huzz now? What's up?
Oh, damn. Do I recognize you?
See, I got the haircut type shit.
Yeah, I see you got a haircut now. You got a glow up.
Are you from Tennessee? Because you're the only 10 I see.
Boy, get your rusty ass, ungraceful ass. Get your ass out of here, boy. Ain't nobody want you. You musty looking, dirty looking at head ass, boy. Broke ass, boy. Ugly shit. Anyway, boy, it's not even a good haircut, boy. Get your ass on. Oh, gosh. I thought people never change. People never change. They never change. What's that guy's problem? Oh, hey. I have no clue. Yeah, I don't know, he's weird. So you trying to go with me, though? Sure. There we out. We out.